Hey guys! So this video is going to be an unboxing on a new baby product that I had received. You guys had requested that I start doing more reviews and unboxings on products that we get for the baby, so that is what I'm going to do for you guys today. Now this is a product that I think you guys are going to love. It was sent to me, but it was never agreed upon that I would do any kind of YouTube video, so this is something that I really wanted to share with you guys from my own heart. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subscriber, as well as check out my social media channels. I'm constantly updating you guys there. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm 30 weeks pregnant and waiting on my first baby boy to enter the family. But anyway, this video is going to be an unboxing, and I'm just going to kind of learn with you guys the new baby monitor that was sent to me from Lollipop. So let's jump into the unboxing. So one awesome thing, if you guys know anything about me, I'm obsessed with Amazon, and you can get the Lollipop cam on Amazon Prime, and we all know I have Amazon Prime because I talk about it all the time. So I have not opened it or anything. I went ahead and saved myself the headache of cutting it open because you guys would probably make fun of me if you knew how long it took me to open boxes. It is packaged nicely in here, and I know this is a weird angle, but makes things a little bit easier for me. So you don't need that. Wow. Dun dun dun. You guys, like, this reminds me of an Apple product. Let's learn grammar first. So this is what the box looks like. It honestly reminds me of an Apple product box. I got mine in the blue color, and on the box this looks more like a mint color, so we'll see which one it is. I don't know, I guess it's like a mint baby blue, which is actually going to be the main colors of my baby shower, I believe. I think so. But anyway, let's see what it's like inside. Okay, so this is, again, it's definitely more of like a mint color. I don't know what the camera's gonna look like, but all of the packaging so far has been more of like a mint rather than blue. So it just says Lollipop baby camera, and then it has like instructions of different ways you can install it into your nursery. So some people will put it on the crib, some people will mount it to the wall. I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm thinking we're probably going to mount it to the wall because I'm kind of gonna want a lot of different stuff in the frame. I'm not going to want just like the baby sleeping like really close to the baby. So I'm thinking we're gonna mount it to the wall. I didn't even know this was showing. So here is the baby monitor. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Okay, so the silicone feel of this is really nice, very high quality. The color is beautiful. Again, it's definitely more of a mint blue. So if you were expecting more of like a baby blue or more on the blue, just know this is mint. This is going to be perfect for us because we do actually plan on having pops of mint in his nursery. So this is going to be perfect for us. So what sets this one apart is this bends. So you can bend it onto the crib, you can bend it on, maybe you have some sort of shelf system, you can bend it onto there. In order to have it stand up, you can kind of bend it around. I know there's like tutorial on like how you can bend it, but basically you can have it like stand up on a ledge, pretty much anything you can think of. So this is really nice, and it's definitely a firm bend. I don't feel like if I were to sit here and play with it, it would break or become loose or anything like that. It's very firm. So, oh great, now I gave it a little twist. The feel of this, everything about this is extremely high quality. So let's continue on in the box. So got that, take that out. Okay, so we have 3 more boxes in here for different accessories. Looks like this one is for the like plug that goes into the wall. I guess can't get that out. Let's try this one. Yeah, here we go. Now this one is the mount. Okay, so like I said, you can mount it to the wall. So they were kind enough to actually provide in our boxes the mount to mount it to the wall. So it's super cute. It kind of looks like a little like tree. So you would just kind of mount that to the wall, sideways I suppose, and then you would wrap this around it. So on their website they show like different cute little techniques of how people have actually wrapped their camera in their baby's nursery. And if you check out their Instagram, that's another place to get really good ideas of how you can put it into the room. So what's really nice is it kind of almost works as like a decor piece too, because it's cute, has like a little tree ledge and everything, and this kind of wraps on it. It's a very cute innovative design, I think. Next up in the box, we have, looks like the USB cord. So this is not a wireless product. You do have to have it plugged in, but again, they're thinking of you, they're thinking of your baby, and they are providing different little knickknacks in order to make it a safe thing. So it comes with little wall brackets. So to give an idea, this is the cord that's going to plug into your camera. Plugs right down in here. And then this will run into the wall socket. Again, reminds me a lot of Apple because it's a USB. I'm sure the USB you can plug into your computer and probably do updates on the camera. That's why I'm assuming it's this way. So anyway, you would plug it into the camera, and then this seems long enough to be able to run down into the plug. And then of course we don't want stray wires showing for our babies, so they did include little, I don't even know what they call it, like, it's not a mount, but pretty much you just slide the cord in here and then you put it against the wall, and it makes it to where the baby can't, you know, mess with it or anything because it's tightly against the wall or against the crib, and baby can't get hurt. So they're thinking about us, and I really, really appreciate that. Then it comes with a little clip, and then last but not least, it does come with the box to plug into the wall. Again, reminds me a lot of Apple. So I am extremely impressed with all of the things that they have given us, because it really proves that they care about us having a safe environment for our babies and making sure that everything is covered. I feel like they really included everything in here. So right off the bat, I'm extremely impressed. Obviously, my husband and I went shopping for different baby monitors at Target and Bye Bye Baby and Babies R Us when it was open. We checked everywhere and we liked some, but we were never very impressed. From the get-go, my husband was trying to find a baby monitor that he could look at on his phone, and for various reasons. Let's say we have a sitter watching the baby, and of course we pretty much will only use family to watch the baby for a really long time, but let's say that we do have a sitter watching the baby. We wanted something that we could still log in on our phone while we're out and about, or really at any point. Maybe if the grandparents wanted to log in. We really were interested in having some sort of monitor on our phone. We didn't want to have to carry around the little box. So that was something that was pretty important to us, and we really couldn't find one that we were impressed by. There are major delays when it comes to baby monitors. I mean, some monitors were taking like 3 to 5 seconds to even show, and we just weren't really impressed. We were expecting something a little bit more live. And so when it came to this monitor, we had read that it was only a 1-second delay, which is really, really comforting, and knowing that we're seeing it almost to the point of live. And another really neat feature is that there is like a cry alarm on it. So if the baby cries, we will get an alarm on our phone, which I thought is a really unique feature to have. Again, I just feel like when it comes to this product, like they really actually care. And there was actually something funny on their listing for this product. It's a really cute little saying that is really true. It says, "We're a high-tech team, but we don't have robotic arms. We care." And it's true. It seems like they really put a lot of thought into it. So I'm gonna sit here and just kind of read out some of the features that it has. Of course, I'm having to look on my phone because I've never used this product and I don't have the baby here yet, but it has an audio mode. It says it's the only Wi-Fi baby monitor with audio mode for overnight monitoring. So while he's in the crib, we can, you know, hear him and everything, which I think is pretty awesome. Another feature that I find is really great, which I just said, is the true crying detection with low false alarm by noise. So like if he's shuffling around in the crib, it's not going to go off. It has like a real good detection, so it says, to when the baby's actually crying, and it will alert you. So another thing that my husband and I do plan on getting as well, they have another product that you can connect with this. It's called the Lollipop sensor. It detects the temperature, humidity, and air quality in the room. So that is something that we do plan on getting. It's another accessory. It's outside of this one. So we do plan on actually getting that one, and if we do, I'll let you guys know how it works and everything about that, but that is something that we do plan on getting. Remote music playing, lullabies, and smooth sounds built in. That's pretty cool. I didn't know it had that. That's pretty cool. So this is pretty cool. Multiple devices allowed to view or use Lollipop with the same main account. So I guess my husband and I will make an account, and like I said, we can let grandparents view the baby if they want to. Yeah, live view sharing, unlimited shared users for your relatives. That's pretty cool. So it looks like all it needs is Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi in order for it to work, and then obviously you have to have like updated software on your phone. So yeah, that just kind of covers some of the basics. I am so excited to use this product, and then once we do have it set up in the nursery, I will show what it looks like in a vlog and also on my Instagram account. So definitely make sure you're watching my vlogs and following my Instagram account, because I will have this all featured on there as well. So I just wanted to share this with you guys and let you guys know about another baby monitor that is on the market. If you guys did enjoy this video and you are interested in hearing more about the baby products that my husband and I both have chose for our child, then definitely make sure to let me know in the comments. If you guys have any requests, make sure you leave them in the comments. Again, check out my social media channels. They're all linked down below. I also, of course, will have this link down below in the description, so just make sure you check in there. But that is it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, everyone.